Wonderful success and luxurious prosperity surround me and flow throughout my entire being and every aspect of my abundant life at every moment. I am worthy of achieving rewarding success in all of my honest and genuine endeavors, and I gladly receive it easily and effortlessly. I am an infinitely rich and valuable individual who is full of many marvelous talents that the world is happily ready to enjoy every day. I feel content that I always do my best in every situation, and because of this, it is easy for me to release the past, since my best is all that I can do, and that is perfectly all right. I love and accept my unique self just the way I am. The absolute best and the absolute highest come to me, surround me, and protect me at every moment. My body, mind, and soul are overflowing with wealthy, prosperous, and successful energy that infinitely radiates from my being and flows through and saturates every aspect of my terrific life. Thank you for that. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. I am a welcoming magnet for vibrant success, an infinite abundance of money, and overflowing prosperity. Thank you for this precious and beautiful life that I am graciously blessed with experiencing every day. Thank you for my luxurious career and job that bring me wonderful success and beautiful joy every day. I am always in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what I like to do. I humbly deserve and receive abundant wealth and prosperity in every aspect of my life. I am talented, unique, and creative, and gladly accept myself for the terrific person I am. Every day I am surrounded by all of the good things that help make me a better person in every way. I am successful at everything I do because I always give 100% and do the very best that I can. I am always a winner through and through. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. I am grateful for all of the good things that I have, and am proud of everything I have achieved. I have a successful energy all around me that attracts marvelous things into my life every day. The universe always protects me and takes care of me in the best way, allowing my life to be infinitely filled with beautiful love, blissful joy, wonderfully good health, eternal happiness and terrific success. Success and prosperity come to me, surround me, and flow easily and effortlessly through my entire wealthy being. I always have more than enough to do all of the things that bring me true happiness. I accept this and believe it. I am full of talent and creative thoughts, and my mind is focused and prepared to attract my prosperous dreams and bring them to successful reality. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. The best and the highest surrounds me, protects me, and flows throughout my entire prosperous being and successful life at every moment. Every day, I give and receive all of the good things that make me a better and more generous person. I am worthy of receiving abundant success, overflowing prosperity, and infinite wealth, and I graciously accept all of these magnificent treasures in every aspect of my life. I always take good and humble pride in presenting myself in the kindest, best, and most welcoming way that I can in every rewarding situation that I encounter. All the greatness of life fills my body, mind, and soul every day. I am open and ready for all that is good. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. As I go about my prosperous and successful day, everything that I see and touch turns to gold and abundantly energizes my whole wealthy being with infinite goodness, overflowing prosperity, confident success, and luxurious wealth. Everyone, including special me, is destined to be fulfilled, content, and happy in every aspect of this blessed life, and I am graciously worthy of achieving rewarding success in every aspect of my wealthy life. Thank you very much for all of the fabulous prosperity, wealth, success, and joy that surrounds me and flows through every part of my remarkable being and successful life at every moment. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. And I am truly grateful to be blessed with all of the absolutely wonderful things I humbly deserve and accept completely. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.